Welcome back to quick violent break, guys. Today I'm working on a Chevy Equinox 2012. This is a 2.4 engine size and oil grade for this vehicle is a 5W30. So we're gonna replace with a full synthetic 5W30. And also, before I drain the oil, I'll show you we already jacked up the car, securely put jack stand underneath. So to drain the oil, we need a 15 millimeter socket to drain the plug. I'm gonna do it over here. Okay. Alright, so this is the drain plug. You have to open this drain plug to drain the oil, and this is a pan to collect the old oil. So let me open it, then I'll show you. Okay, so oil is start draining, and now I'm gonna show you where is the oil filter located in this vehicle. So this is the oil filter cap. So I already lose that, so I'm gonna just do a couple of threads to remove to get the oil filter. Okay, it's almost here. Okay, so this is the oil filter, which is very dirty. So I already removed the old oil filter, and this is the O-ring we have to replace each time when we changing oil filter. Try to clean inside and outside. And this is the oil filter I'm going to use, and the O-ring I already put this one, and you have to install the new O-ring and also the filter. Okay, this is all done. Now I'm gonna put this back into the oil filter hole. Alright, so I already drained the oil and I tied the drain plug, and this side I'll also show you. It's completely tied the oil filter cap, and now it's time to fill the oil. So gonna show you. Okay, I'm using this funnel, and we're gonna put 4.2 quad. I'm using a 5W30 full synthetic. Okay, so it's almost 4.2, and later on, once we start the car, and after start the car for 5 seconds, we're gonna check again the oil level. This is the correct way to check the oil level. You have to start the car for a few seconds, 4-5 seconds, then turn off the car, and then you check the oil level. So oil I already put, and I'm gonna put the cap on it for now, and I'm gonna start the vehicle for 5 seconds, then I'm gonna check the oil level. Okay, so now it's time to check the oil level. One time you clean the dip and put this back inside completely and check the level. So it's basically between the middle, and it's the oil level is correct. Never go beyond this one. So basically you don't need to overfill. Alright, so over here is middle, that's it, good to go. So I'm gonna put this back. Alright, so the oil has been done. And also let me show you one thing. Okay. Okay. So, alright. So the oil has been done. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you can get my next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.